Letter number 15. Ddad. Not dad, Ddad, like a thick D. Last time it was a thick S, now it's a thick D. It has no counterpart in the English alphabet, or in any alphabet. Arabic is the only language that has this letter. That's why it's called the language of the Dhad. لغة الضاد in Arabic. As you can see, it looks like a sad, but with a dot above. This time one eye is enough, unlike Sheen, where there had to be 3 eyes. So, a word, ضد, which means against.
Against.
Here we have both the thick and the ordinary D's. Okay? Another word, ضرر, which means damage or harm. Here we have 2 Ra's. Okay, now it's your turn.
Now it's your turn.
Try to form words and look them up, or try to locate them in any Arabic text that you can get your hands on. Share them with us in the comments. If you have any questions or any feedback, don't hesitate to comment below. See you in the next video.